Honorable His Excellency Dr. Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, the President of Somalia, Honorable Heads of State, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to thank the Minister Ahmed Maalim Fiqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of Somalia, State Minister Mr. Ali Balad, Deputy Minister Mr. Isaq, the leadership of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, allowing us to celebrate today and to get together here. It is both a privilege and profound honor to stand before you today as the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of Somalia. We gather at our ministry's headquarters to mark a significant chapter in the history of Somalia and the history of East Africa community, celebrating 25 years of exceptional regional integration and cooperation. This milestone invites us not only to commemorate our achievements, but also to envision future filled with promise, unity, collaboration for all our partner states. Since its establishment on November 30, 1999, the EAC has transformed dramatically. What began with Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania has evolved into a robuster community that now includes Burundi, Rwanda, South Sudan, and Democratic Republic of Congo, with the Federal Republic of Somalia joining our ranks most recently. Somalia's inclusion is a testament to our commitment to embracing the rich diversity of East Africa and enhancing collaboration across our region. As we reflect on the past, we celebrate the many accomplishments that have strengthened our bonds and propelled socio-economic development. The establishment of the custom union and the common market has a significant bolstered inter-regional trade, fueling economic growth and creating an inviting environment for business and investment. Our progress toward monetary union and political federation is a demonstration of our dedication to deeper integration, ensuring that the benefits of our unity are shared by every citizen of East African community. As part of our celebration today, our ministry has organized various activities that embody the spirit of community engagement and progress. We are taking part in a tree planting initiatives that we have done this morning. This shows our initiatives to symbolize our commitment to a sustainable and environmental stewardship. Also, we have done a blood drive, which showcasing our dedication to health and saving lives across the region. Furthermore, the business community who are here with us this afternoon, and also the education sector, which you have seen here, many students from various universities in Somalia. We are also hosting educational awareness programs and empower our citizens with the knowledge and skills essential for a brighter future. While we are encountering challenges along the way, our resilience remains steadfast, united in our pursuit of peace, security, and sustainable development. The theme of our 25th anniversary, quote, promoting trade, sustainable development, and peace and security for improved livelihoods, end quote, encapsulates our shared vision for a vibrant and prosperous East Africa. All we cheered. As we commemorate today's achievement, let us also look forward to a future filled with optimism and determination. It is crucial that we continue to nurture partnership that enhance our integration effort and adapt to address emerging global challenges, ensuring the EAC remains a beacon of progress and stability in our region. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all who have contributed to the EAC's success. The dedication and hard work have been essential in reaching this milestone. Together, let us pledge to pursue our shared goals with renewed vigor, so that the next 25 years will bring even greater triumphs and prosperity to the East African community. Thank you very much.